welcome to the video. So today I'm gonna make a lamp. No, it's a light fixture. Let me show you. I got this stick. Wow, it is taller than me. I'm 5'3". Here's a stick. Beautiful, gorgeous. Where did I get it? I found it. I found it in my garage. So I don't know where you would get this other than actually, oh my God. So I'm not sure where you actually would find one of these other than in nature. Do this dinging right now. This needs to stop. Airplane mode, okay. So I got this stick. Now my idea for this stick. So I have a guitar hanger right here and I'm real lucky that this fits so well with it already. Check it out. I like that it looks like it's coming out of the wall too. That's really cool. I am not going to use the guitar hanger in my build. I feel like that would be cheating. That's too easy. So I'm going to make my own hanger for this. This worked out really well because it looks really lined up like this. So I'm going to use the dimensions of this guitar hanger to apply it to my hanger. What I want to do to make it a light fixture, I'm going to carve all the way down this stick. And then I'm going to insert LED into there so it shines against the wall. Yes, it's gonna. So I'm gonna start with the hanger. I picked out these pieces of what I believe is maple. That's what someone told me. Then I'm gonna be referencing the actual hook that's from the guitar hanger to make sure that I keep this width to hold the stick. And here is the design. Okay, the hanger, it's basically just gonna be shaped like this, but I found this piece of maple and now this is gonna be somewhat of my shape now. And now I need the sides to be similar to my hanger, kinda. So I'm gonna start a little larger in width and then work my way down until I find the correct size. So let's go. Oh, this is another option if I wanted to just use dowels instead, but I'm gonna start off with the one that I prefer. So for the hanger, I'm gonna start at that size, 1 3/4 inches, even though I know it's too large. It might be too large, but I'm just gonna start there and I can always remove material. I can't add it back. Now I need to cut the little arms. So I'm gonna cut 3/4 inch strips. 2 is what I meant, not piece, 2. I forgot to hit record, but here they are, 3/4 inch strips. So very rough idea of how it's gonna look. Now with the stick, I know it's not gonna fit, like this is too narrow. And before I go cutting anything to make it, what I should do now, I'm figuring it out as we do this. What I should do now is cut these to about the length that I want. Then I need to add that little curvature so that it could go and sit in there. Make sure I have to keep this length. I'm marking the most narrow part. I do like this curve, so I think I want to keep that. That's pretty cool. Something like that for now. I'm gonna remove that much too. I was gonna say, I think it's too small. This one's definitely too small. You know, actually it's not that bad. I think it could work. I could make them a little wider. I should have just measured it from here. That's the first time. I marked out more of the area that I have to remove. I colored it in. I mean, it's getting there. She needs a lot of sanding. A lot of sanding. There. Sanded, so it should fit really good now. Or it might be too loose. So, can you see that? Yeah. Oh yeah. That's not gonna be a problem. Dude, yeah. Can you see that? Okay. Well, that worked out. Rare. I need to mark where to carve, so I'm gonna use my chalk. So I know this is gonna go against the wall, so it's just gonna go straight down. That should do it. All right, I'm all set up here to go. Am I scared? Yes, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's gonna be sick. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna wear a full mask though. Yo, that was easy. There's just like a few spots that I have to go deeper in. But that was easy. Oh my god. You know, I'm gonna carve so many things now. You know, that was my first time doing that, and that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna be carving a whole bunch of stuff now, a whole mess of stuff. It is done. Dude, that was really easy and that was really quick. Don't be scared to try new things. It can turn out to be something that you really enjoy doing and can't wait to do again. AKA me, AKA I'm gonna do this all the time, AKA what? Now I have to do a whole bunch of sanding. Back to the handle. So I think that these sides are too thick, so I'm gonna go to the band. Maybe I shouldn't do that, huh? Cue that music. I don't know why I did that. All that's left is to install the lights to this branch. Wow. I feel like I'm working on a fossil. See that blade is like the perfect width too. Amazing.
Oh, that's so pretty. It's art.
This looks sick, beautiful. It looks so fancy. I look bougie right now, but it needs improvements. Hanging this. Okay, I'm going in to hang it. Blah, 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 blah. Oh. Well, earlier it was like swinging off to the left. Like, it just really depends how you position it then. See, look at that. See, it moves a little. It's not a big deal. So I think I'm gonna add a little leather. Well, I only have pleather. Some pleather strips in that curve to help it stick in one spot. Why not? I have some. Ooh. I only have blue vinyl. Sorry, I'm trying not to get in the way of the camera, but gotta work. I gotta work. Ugh, I got that glue all over me. Okay, I added a bit of vinyl in there. I don't know if me adding vinyl did anything at all, but it did help. It did help. Oh, love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this tree light because I freaking love it so much. And I will see you in the next video. So please subscribe so I can keep making bigger, better, stronger, cooler stuff. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Ooh, and the best thing I can do for now is to just have this little planta here to kind of hide the cords. So it works. And I will see you in the next video. So please subscribe so we can,